So my favorite product of all time was just delivered. Hello everybody, Mike here. And I have solved the problem of sweating my butt off when I go to Disney World. So I got this for like $5 on Amazon. Shout out to Nat's Deals Facebook group. She posted this deal and I got it. So I'm very excited. This thing is hilarious, right? It has the power button, 3 speeds. That's the highest one. You can see it puts out a decent amount of air, right? And then it also has a little light. So you're walking around the park at nighttime. So all the people that'll be sweating their butts off standing in line, that won't be me, okay? Because I actually get really hot very quickly. I live in Florida, but I'm not the biggest fan of being out in the sun sweating. So this type of thing, I don't even care how it looks. I really don't, because as long as I be cool, that's all that matters, okay? So let's go ahead and head to Disney World. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I got my neck fans, right? They say it lasts up to, I think, 4 to 12 hours, something like that, on a full charge. They give you the little USB cord. Plug it into the back here. It doesn't come with the dock. So it has the lights and then the 3 speeds. And it puts a decent amount of air. So this thing, pretty cool. Nice little gadget, right? You can't really lean back that much with the thing. My only issue would just be a little bit thinner, right? And not as hard. You can't really lean back with them on. If you're like sitting down, maybe you're sitting down in a hot area, right? And you want to lean your head against something. Not really going to be able to do that. But you can position these because they are flexible any way you want, right? You could even have them. You could even, if maybe you're at work or something like that, or somewhere, and you want to put these on a table just facing you. I mean, it gives very good airflow. So these things are awesome. I love it. Such a random thing, but these things will really come in handy. If you're at Disney World, that's the first thing that comes to mind. If you're outside in the hot weather for a long period of time, these things will really come in handy.